Kiambaa by-elections that are up in a week's time have continued to be a center of disintegration within the ruling Jubilee Party. The party is now having pro-Jubilee for President Kenyatta and pro-UDA for Deputy President William Ruto. Campaigns have intensified, with those supporting Jubilee's Kariri Njama saying their win means the unity of Mount Kenya, and those supporting UDA's Njuguna Wanjiku affirming that the Jubilee Party is long dead, as Lekishon Laban now reports.
1 week to go for Kiambaa and Muguga by-elections, and UDA troops have intensified their campaigns. They arrived in Kiambaa on Wednesday with teams of their supporters to counter onslaughts with a word toward strategy campaigning for their respective candidates. Limuru MP Peter Mwathi and his counterpart Kieni MP Kanini Kega, leading the Jubilee Brigade, said that the by-elections means a lot to the unity of Mount Kenya region and the region's love for President Kenyatta. The duo warned against any attempts to divide the community.
It's not just about party. It's about the region, it's about the people, and it's about the president and about the other people who are opposing the president.
Lakini tumeona kikundi kimoja ambacho kinaongozwa na naibu wa rais ambaye pia ako katika chama cha Jubilee anajaribu kuwagawanya watu wa Mlima Kenya ili tukifika huko 2022 tusiwe tuko na msimamo mmoja. Na sisi tunajua kwamba umoja wetu ndio nguvu yetu.
Kwa heshima tusimame na Jubilee, tusimame na jamaa wetu Kariri Njama, na hiyo siku we prove to the nation ya kwamba kwanza sisi tunapenda rais wetu, tunapenda Jubilee na tuko katika Jubilee.
The Jubilee legislators have threatened that after the by-election they will rebrand their party by driving out all party rebels who have been drumming up support for other candidates contrary to the Elections Act.
The party will sit down and weed out the rotten seeds that are within and who don't want to leave, so that we can have a clean party that is smooth and operations that are going on smoothly, and the leadership that is going to resonate with the aspirations of the people.
That you don't have to wait for the registrar of political parties to tell you that you have gone against the Political Parties Act, you have gone against the Constitution. Your conscience should tell you that you cannot be in a marriage, which of course you are saying is abusive, and then you get married secretly.
On the other hand, Jubilee members allied to Deputy President William Ruto, led by Murang'a Senator Irungu Kang'ata, have continued to defy the threats by those opposed to their love for the DP, saying plans to throw them out of the party are long overdue.
Rebranding to join ODM, and for us we don't support ODM. So they continue with their rebranding, as we will never follow that route. The effect of that is to mean Jubilee is now over. It has been folded up. It's now joining ODM to support ODM as a political party.
Wanataka kurebrand to waondoe William Ruto. Wanaondoa William Ruto from where? He's not party, and he's not part of that party anymore.
1 year before elections, it's no longer necessary which party you are, legally or not. Nothing can happen. From January, you cannot do a by-election. This is a season of people moving to their parties of choice.
The by-election is scheduled for July 15th to fill a vacancy that occurred following the death of Jubilee MP Paul Koinange in March. Lekishon Laban, TV 47.
Now still on